Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube app playback issues. So if the YouTube app is having playback issues, then in this video I'm going to show you guys a variety of ways in order to fix this. So I just quickly want to say that this is currently how I'm going to fix it over on my iPhone. However, it will be exactly the same over on your Android, and you can even follow those steps if you're using a browser or if you're using a TV. So just follow along and you can just basically use all of those steps in order to try to fix your issue. So the first thing you can do basically on all devices is just simply checking the Wi-Fi connection to make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or to make sure that you have cellular mode enabled. In order to actually use YouTube and fix this issue, it's really important that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So once you've double checked that, we can go to step number 2. Step number 2 is simply resetting our network settings over on our iPhone. In order to do that, head over to settings, just like this, then clicking on general and then scrolling down till you find transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and then click on reset network settings. Once you've done that, you can try to reopen YouTube and see if it's now working. Now, if it's still not working, what you can do, and this can be done on every single device, is simply updating the YouTube app. This will most likely fix a lot of the issues with the app, including playback issues, so just go and head over to update YouTube to the latest version. This will fix some bugs as well. Now, once you've done that, it's still not working, what you can also do is basically update your operating system. So this can either be Android, iPhone, you can also just update your entire browser or even your TV. Just make sure to update it so your entire basically system gets a quick refresh. On iPhone, go and head over to General, Software Update, and simply update to the latest version if it's available. Now, if you've done that already and it's still not working, what you can also do is try to clear the cache over on the YouTube app. And this can also be done over on the browser version, over on your TV and on Android. Now, in order to do this on iPhone, simply head over to General, iPhone Storage. Then what you want to do is scroll down until you find YouTube right here, and then simply click on Offload App. This will basically completely clear the cache of your YouTube app, and then once you've basically clicked on Offload App, you can start using it again like normal. Everything will still be there, but you have just cleared the cache of your YouTube app. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, what you can also try to do is on any device is simply restarting it. And I would recommend going for a forced restart. Every single device is a bit different. However, a forced restart may be a bit different than a normal restart, so you can just search online how you can do this on your own device. On iPhone, simply quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then press and hold the volume button till your entire phone basically goes dark. The second that happens, keep on holding till you see that Apple logo appear. The second that Apple logo appears, just let go of the power button, and the second you've done that, your entire phone will start restarting. And basically once you've done that, you can simply try and reopen YouTube again to see if it's now working. If it's still not working, what you can also do on any device is simply reinstalling your entire YouTube app. This is also the last fix I have for you, but basically reinstalling an app will clear all of its data and all those kind of things, meaning that a lot of issues will be fixed. However, do keep in mind that all your documents and data will be lost if you don't back it up. But yeah, basically reinstalling an app will 99% of the time fix any issue that there currently is with the app. And that's basically all I have for you in this video. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.